In this video, it says your last doctor's visit cost $105. Health insurance through your employer paid $84, and you paid the remaining $21. What percentage of the cost did you pay? Well, we're going to set this up like an equivalent fraction because 105 equaled 100% of the bill. If your portion was 21, to determine what percentage that was, we're going to multiply or cross multiply 21 times 100, and we're going to get 2100, and then we're going to take that 2100 and divide it by 105, and we'll get 20. But I also would like you to note that if you were to multiply 105 and 20, you would also get 2100, and that's how you know for certain you have created an equivalent fraction, because when you cross multiply, you get 2100 each time. So your answer to this is 20%.